And I'm back again nenye video enqabe kanjani uyayazi nawe man. Okay, sure, starting off, Banyana took on DRC yesterday. They took on DRC and they were playing away, so that match ended with a draw. It was 1-1. We were rescued by Thembi Kgatlana after we got to be blown out. I'd say we got to be exposed because we considered during the first half, and then Thembi Kgatlana out beginning came through for us. So, but then there's another thing that during that game you expected Janine to make an appearance so that she can match the record which was set by the Egyptian legend, one of the greatest African midfielders of all time, Hassan. But then she did not. So since she did not, we can only expect her to make it when they play the return leg here at Orlando Stadium. So they're playing that game on the 30th of October. Do not miss it. You can catch it at SABC Plus or go to the stadium if you are near and you have the funds to go there. And then moving on from Banyana straight to Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs have announced the signing of Ralani. So it has been confirmed. It's something that we've seen. I mean, he was recently linked to ETS Galaxy, and then I did notify you guys that a few weeks back he started training with, I think it was last week, if not last week, he started training with the Cape Town Spurs. I'm sure that they saw his training and they need someone like him, and they were impressed with what they saw with Ralani. So Ralani is back in the mother city, but this time around he's not at Cape Town City but at Cape Town Spurs. So yes, those are your news for you for Cape Town Spurs. And then moving on to our last story for today, AFL's first semi-final is confirmed. Mamelodi Sundowns is set to take on Ahly. So the first leg is going to play here in South Africa on Sunday. That game will kick off at 3. You can catch that game at SABC Plus or FIFA Plus. They cover those games for you if you can make it to the stadium. So it's a huge game. It's an African derby. Ahly versus Mamelodi Sundowns. You know the kind of atmosphere that we are going to have at Loftus Versfeld. I just hope that Mamelodi Sundowns deliver and also Ahly delivers. So it has to be a pretty good game. I just hope also the fans come out in numbers and they just support Mamelodi Sundowns, just as the fans from Egypt get to support Ahly when they are playing at home. So guys, with all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and then from me to you, Ndinithanda nonke, danko.